Joanna. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for clicking on the link. This is the second time I'm filming this video because I made a boo-boo. Now, if you are a subscriber, thanks for watching my videos, and if you aren't a subscriber, please do consider, subscribing to my channel. I film videos about beauty, lifestyle, plus size fashion, planners, anything that has to do with stationery, all those kinds of things. Now, and I'm really trying to grow, so it would be great if you clicked the subscribe and notifications button. Now, I'm going to tell you about beauty boxes. This is the next beauty box, and I think I love it. I bought two. I'm going to film this video, and then I'm going to film another video. And this one is about the staycation next beauty box. It's still available, so you can still get it. And I have subscribed to the Glossy box and the Look Fantastic box, which are monthly subscription box, but I stopped both of them. I liked the Glossy box, but I wasn't that happy with all the products, so I stopped that. Then I signed up to the Look Fantastic box, which I really like, and I might resubscribe later on, but at the moment I wanted to try other things, so that's why I stopped that subscription, and I moved on to trying the next beauty box, which I think is really good. I have already opened the box, so I'm not going to go like, oh, this looks amazing. I already know what's in it, and I really like it. So I'm going to share with you my thoughts, and I'm going to show you everything just in case you want to go and buy it. It's £20. You can get sent it to your home delivery, and you can also go in store and click and collect. So you still have to order it online. You can't buy it in the next store, but you can order online and go and get it. That's what I did. I ordered online and collected from the store. Now you open the box. The boxes are the same. They're not different. They're not different boxes. And you just, inside it says beauty treats, the inside. Now I'm going to empty the box, and then I'm going to show you everything. It usually, well, it's supposed to come with a booklet. My previous one did, but this one hasn't. And I don't know why, but I'm going to show you everything, and I printed out the product list from the next website. So yeah, let's put this box aside and let's talk about what next says. So first of all, I printed their box description. So summer's not over yet. Make the most of the sunshine with and feel, and feel amazing with a little help from our next branded beauty box filled with staycation essentials worth over £120. Take care of skin. It's got lots of lotions and things I'm going to show you later. And they say, please note, as with all our next beauty boxes, the total combined value is based on full size and travel size items only. Sample size items that may read not for resale are not counted to the value. So let's begin. There is the Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil. This is by Botanicals, and it is a limited edition, and you get 15 ml. So let's see, is this the Botanicals, is this a sample, or yeah, 15 ml. It doesn't say if it's a sample, but this is, let's see. This is the, oh, it looks pretty. This is the sample. Let's smell it. Oh, smells nice. Oh, looking forward to trying this. And what does this do? It's really small. I can't read it. Anyway, Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil. So I'm guessing you put it on your face. Now, that's one product gone. It also had the Balance Me. I like this. Vitamin C. Now, Balance Me. I've had Balance Me Vitamin C Repair Serum S. This is 7 ml. And I've tried Balance Me products before, and I like them. Then you get the Skinny Tan Instant Tan Melt Milk Chocolate. So this is suitable for face and body. Satin finish. Lasts all day. Washes off. I don't use self-tanning products because my vision is really bad and I'm scared I'm going to turn out very patchy. So this will probably go in a giveaway later on this year. Then we have the Regenerate Enamel Science. So this is a toothpaste. Let me tell you what I know about this product. This is 14 ml. So you get a toothpaste. I'm going to use this. Good for traveling. It's not bad. Then we get the Noble Eye Tea Rose Body Lotion. And this is, how many mLs is it? Let's see. 30. Not bad. Let's smell. Oh, rose. It's nice and thin. It doesn't feels watery. Oh, it smells like rose. Oh, I love rose scented products. Oh, the rosier the better. Now we get the 24-hour Benefit Brow Setter. And let me just show you how big this is. So you can see. It's this big. That's fine. So, how many mLs? So the Benefit Brow Setter is 24 hour, 2 ml. 2 ml. Not bad. You can use it to set your brows. Then we get a Boss Alive 75 ml body lotion. Oh, that smells nice. Nice for the body. Smelling nice. I haven't tried this scent, but oh, it smells really nice. I can't describe it. I don't know what scent it. It smells clean, very clean. I wouldn't say it's very florally, but not a sickly candy scent either. And this is the Hugo Boss, I'm guessing, body lotion. I'm trying to see where they are describing it. Yeah, so it smells really nice. 75 ml. That's really nice. Then I also got the L'Occitane Cherry Blossom Shower Gel. And that is, how many? That is 35 ml. You get this, which I cannot read because I'm colorblind. I'm going to try to find what this is. I'll let you know later. You probably can see what this is. I can't read the letters because when you're colorblind, I think this is red and black and I can't read what it is. But anyway, you get this. I'll turn it sideways so you can see what it is. And I'll figure out what it is after. Then we also get the Illamasqua Hydra Veil Gel. Hang on, what's it called? Hydra Veil Primer. And you get 7 ml of this. So this is what it looks like. And I'm not going to open the primer yet. I really look forward to trying this though, because I've heard lots of good things about these products and I've never tried it, so I'm really looking forward to it. And finally, the Iconic London Eye Pot Cosmic. Oh, let's see, Iconic London. I've heard about these as well. And let's see what this is like in the. Oh, it's covered. Ooh. So this is the colour. As I said, I'm colourblind, so I won't be able to tell you what colour it is, which I don't know how helpful it is. But this is what it looks like on my hand. I don't know if you can see. Hang on, let me just try to do a better shot of this. This is the product. I'm filming in natural light, so there is no light. And that is what it looks like on my hand. Oh. Not sure what colour that is, but it is very sparkly. So looking forward to trying that, and I'll figure out if you can see what colour it is. I'm going to ask my partner later. Okay, so this is the Pow Pow Red Lip Balm. I finally read what it was. So I managed to find the description in the description box of next. So this Iconic London thing, I think it's a silver, I'm not sure, but it's, look, you can still see it on my hand and I've rubbed it. Oh, I'm so excited to try that. So yeah, look how many products you get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 products for £20. And you get at least 2 from this box. Gigantic one. These smell really nice. This smells, oh, this smells really nice. And so does, oh, what was that rose thing? Oh, this one. If you love roses, this is very rosy. really nice. I'm really looking forward to it. I'm really looking forward to using all the products. The only product I'm not going to use, but someone else will, one of my subscribers will later on, is this Skinny Tan. But everything else, I am. So I'm going to film the next video. This is so what you just watched is the Staycation box. I've also got the Feel Good box or something like that. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Please subscribe. The Feel Good box will be coming soon this week. Let me know what you thought of this video. Please consider subscribing. Sorry if my description wasn't amazing, but this was the first time I was doing this and I'm struggling with my vision. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.